In this video, I'll guide you through how to duplicate a page in LibreOffice. Whether you're creating multiple copies of documents or just want to replicate a page for editing purposes, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in and get started with duplicating pages in LibreOffice Writer. First, you need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed already, you can download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've opened the application, you'll see various options for different types of documents you can work with. For our purposes, go ahead and click on Writer Document. This will open up a new text document where you can begin working. After opening your Writer document, it's always a good practice to save it first, especially if you're about to make multiple changes. Look towards the top left of the screen and you'll find the save icon, which resembles a floppy disk. Clicking this will prompt you to save your document. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store it and give your document a name that's easy to remember. This step ensures that your original content is secure and can be easily accessed later. Now, with your document saved, you can move on to the next step, which is saving a copy of your document. This is an essential part of duplicating a page because it allows you to have a separate version of your work where you can make edits without affecting the original document. To do this, once again, look towards the top of your screen. Next to the save icon, you'll see an option to save a copy. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose a location and a file name for your duplicate document. It's helpful to name this copy something similar to the original, but with a clear indication that it's a duplicate, such as adding copy or duplicate to the file name. By following these steps, you effectively create a separate version of your document, allowing you to duplicate not just a single page, but the entire document if needed. This can be particularly useful if you're working on a project that requires multiple iterations or if you need to send different versions to different people. Remember, duplicating a page or document is an excellent way to ensure you have a backup of your work. It also provides flexibility in editing and sharing your content. Always make sure you keep your files organized and named appropriately to avoid any confusion later on. And there you have it. This quick guide has walked you through how to duplicate a page in LibreOffice. With these simple steps, you can easily create, save, and manage multiple versions of your documents efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy document editing.